For the hats, this is a fun way to do hats. We're going to go ahead and I believe this is an audio track, so we can't use that. We're going to go ahead and add a MIDI track here. Color code it. Let's rename that to hats. All right. And you can see I already have everything set up with the gain staging. And we're going to be adding a drum rack to this. And then we're going to be grabbing a folder full of hats or shakers. Again, I always go to this sample folder. You can choose whatever sample folder you want. If you have a favorite folder that sounds, really good one shots, go to it and then basically just do what I'm doing here and drag them in. Let's go to percussion shakers. All right, let's try this. We're going to grab all of them and we're going to throw them right there. And then we're going to basically grab an arpeggiator, however you want to say it. And then we can mess with all the settings here. And then we're going to be making a MIDI clip here. I'm not sure how long I want to make it. And let's do 4 bars here. Sorry. All right. And then we can grab some notes, do a couple chords. Let's make like 5. Could do 6 too. And then it's going to alternate between each little one shot because of this arpeggiator. Take a listen. Now, it sounds kind of stagnant and boring. We can change it by going up and down here on the style section. Now we're going to go a step further here, and we're going to sidechain this to the kick. Let's go ahead and find, where is it? Dynamics, compressor, throw it on there. Sidechain it to our kick drum. And okay, so there's a problem with, the sidechain effect here. The idea, the goal here is to get the breathing pumping effect. But the problem is sometimes when you have a kick drum that already has all of the low end, you can see it in the waveform here, that there's not a lot of room for the volume of the hats here to come in and duck, because you can see by the waveform, the kick is taking up a lot of the room here. If it was something like this, if the kick had a waveform that looked like this right here, it would be a lot better for sidechaining, because you can see all of this right here is just low volume area where where the hat volume can, take all the space. Unfortunately, yeah, like I said, the sub has all of the kick takes care of the sub in this instance. So we can't get a prominent ducking effect by using proper sidechain from Ableton. A workaround for that is simply using a plugin that I love to use all the time by Xfer Records, and that is called LFO Tool. Simply throw it on there, and it does the same effect for you. Like that. And then you can just adjust it like so, and you can really mold how you want it to sound, and it works pretty cool. I like the way it gives you the same effect. If you're just trying to achieve the ducking effect, it does the same thing. I like to use it. Sometimes I like using it more than just the Ableton compressor. Okay, so we have that set up. Let's go ahead and make it longer, consolidate here. See how it sounds with the track. Okay, so now we can just kind of highlight all the notes here and then go up and down. And no matter what I choose here, it's going to be different little combinations of shakers that I selected. That one's pretty catchy. I like that. It's actually kind of fun.